have your invoice ready for you. How are you gonna pay today?
I forgot the payment.
The best feeling in the world is getting paid to do what you love. Today in this video, I will cover 3 points on how to get paid on time. So stay with me. The first thing I do is I evaluate the family and also the child. Is this family and child a good fit for your program? Ask yourself that question instead of just rushing and trying to get this family. Why? Because you want to prevent problems in the future. You want to make sure that you're gonna have this family for a long term, not something short. So you evaluate the family, take the time to assess the family, and when you are ready, you're gonna know. When you are done assessing the family, the next thing that you should have ready is your contract. Your contract can be 1 or 2 pages, and don't worry, if you don't have one today, if you subscribe and you send me an email, I will share with you my contract. Your contract is kind of like getting married. Everything that you're doing with the contract is to prevent future conflicts. Mr. Rudy, I have your contract ready, and there are like 4 pages for you to read.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you. No! Bye. Mr. Rudy, I have your contract ready, and there are like 4 pages for you to read, and I will go over with you. Do you have any questions about the hours?
Well, it looks like you have the hours right, but what if I'm late? Like 1 or 2 days? You know, because sometimes they let us out late from work.
Like how late?
It could be as much as 30 minutes to an hour.
30 minutes to 1 hour. So something that I can do here in the next page, it talks about if you are late and if you don't tell me in the morning, I will charge you $1 per minute. But if you tell me in advance, we can arrange maybe a $10 per hour, but that's something that I have to agree with the notice. And I can work with you in case you are late.
What is the payment policy?
Payment is due every Friday. So just keep in mind, every Friday morning, you bring my payment in the morning. You can pay me with cash, you can do a transfer, you can pay me with a check.
So Friday evening has to be...
Do you know why? When you pay me on Friday, I'm able to go shopping for food. So I have enough food for your child. I'm also able to go and buy all the materials I'm gonna need for the preschool program. So if you don't pay me on Friday, it's hard for me to be able to pay my employees. So I really need the payment on Friday morning. If you have your contract ready, don't forget you need to say when your payment is due. In my case, payment is due every Friday morning. And I do my best to be flexible also, so I give my family, you have until 5 o'clock. Point number 3, and my last one. You can have 100 of rules, but if you don't follow them and you don't enforce them, nobody's gonna enforce it for you. It won't work. I'm telling you right away, it won't work. I need you to sign in your child. And it's Friday. I have your invoice ready for you. How are you gonna pay today?
I forgot the payment.
No problem. You have until 5 o'clock to pay me today. Otherwise, I'll have to charge you a late fee of $10 per day, which includes Saturday, Sunday. So now, by Monday, you're gonna owe me $20. Okay? But you have until 5 o'clock. Good afternoon, Mr. Rudy. How are you doing?
Hi, how's Ariana today?
She did great. She's cleaning up right now. She should be done soon. Did you bring my payment?
I don't have it. I forgot.
What happened?
Oh, I forgot. And, you know, they were supposed to pay me and they didn't pay me. And, you know, I checked the account. There was like nothing in there.
Okay.
What can we do?
The thing is, my payment is due by 5 o'clock because I need to get food, materials, everything ready during the weekend. But there's a late fee of $10. So you have to pay me late fee for Saturday and Sunday. So by Monday, you need to bring the payment first thing in the morning. That includes the $20 extra. So Monday morning, don't forget to bring $220 because of the late fees. Okay?
Okay.
She's ready. Have a good day.
Thanks.
I know it's not an easy task to say, hey, you owe me money, but you have to be consistent. Your program won't be solid because of the way how you are managing it. Good morning. How's everything?
Hi, good morning. Everything's okay.
How was the weekend?
It was fair.
Did you get paid? Because I need my payment.
No, I didn't get paid, and like, wow, you know, you just ain't got no money.
I need to be fair with everybody. You have to go home and bring the payment. Next time we can arrange a new contract, something that's gonna work better for you. But for today, there is no care. No pay, no care. I sent Mr. Rudy home, and 10 minutes later, he come back with the money.
Hi, Miss Leidy.
You're back.
Yes, I'm back. Dropping off Ariana, and yes, I went to an ATM and I got your money. Thank you so much for being patient and waiting. And
Thank you. Now Monday comes and parent bring the child and no money. So this is the time that you say my 4 words. No pay, no care. And sadly, you have to send this family home. Because if you don't do that and you try to be nice, they are gonna do this again and again. Believe me, if this doesn't happen to you, you are lucky. And I know sometimes you are saying, okay, I'm gonna do it once. But if you do it for one client, it won't be fair for the other ones. Think this way. If you are so strict with one person and then you are changing your mind with the other one, you are not being fair. Because the other client is doing his best or her best to pay you on time. Meanwhile, the other one is finding excuses and you are also making excuses for this client. So in this video, I cover 3 points. The first one is assess your family. The second one is have a contract ready. And the last, enforce your contract so you can get paid on time. I hope this video helps you to get paid on time. Hasta pronto!